Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are on the northbound on-ramp at exit 69 of Interstate 75 in Monroe Township, Ohio. On September 11th, 2022, at 2:55 a.m., two deputies with the Miami County Sheriff's Office observed a 2007 red Nissan Altima traveling northbound at a high rate of speed. The deputies eventually caught up to the vehicle and set their cruise control on 88 miles per hour, whereupon the vehicle began to create a gap from the squad car. The deputy then activated his emergency lights, pulled over the driver near mile marker 76 in Concord Township, and approached the vehicle on the passenger side to speak with the suspect as his investigation begins.
How are you? This is a deputy over here. He's going to talk to you.
Does this window go down? Hello, Deputy Miami County Sheriff's Office. You know the reason why I stopped you today? Yeah, I was behind you. I had my crew set at like 88 and
yeah, I'm so sorry.
you were still kind of gaining on me. Where are you coming from?
Oh my god, I just came from the Yellow Rose. My friend was there. She had needed a ride.
Your friend was there at the Yellow Rose?
Yeah, she needed a ride and I went there, but her boyfriend came and picked her up.
Okay. You got your ID and proof of insurance by chance, please?
There you go, babe.
Do you have the registration?
This is not my... Sarah,
What do you know, Sarah?
my car broke down. It's a Chevy Malibu. But my mom just moved to Florida and her friend let me use her car until I got a car. I'm sorry, I haven't ever gotten pulled over before, so I don't even know what I am. I promise I have registration.
Yeah, that's a registration.
Oh, okay,
And then do you
okay.
have insurance?
As far as I know, yes. I have to call my mom.
Okay.
In Florida. Yeah, give
You
me a
don't have to
second.
call your mom. But
Wait.
yeah, that's fine. You know what company it's in?
What company? It has like a Trojan. Is it a Trojan?
Trojan person?
I'm sorry, I'm just now. Like, I'm a newly adult.
Okay. Where are you? You said you're heading home?
Yeah.
Where's home for you? Okay. Anything in the car we need to know about?
No.
Weapons,
You are more than
drugs,
welcome to-
guns? Okay. Do you have anything to drink at the Yellow Rose?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Okay.
I'm a minor.
Alright.
Is that drink there? What's that there? That
I
co-
honestly, my stepmom,
that
I took her
cocktail
home
there.
from the... These aren't even mine. I'm sorry. Those aren't mine.
Are they finished?
I don't know. have
Can
no
I see
idea.
that?
Yeah, for sure. No, they're not finished.
What's that?
They're not
Can I see one?
Are they alcoholic or?
They're not mine. I don't know.
Where's
Okay.
I just stopped by my dad's and my stepmom. She was in my car. I picked her up.
You haven't been drinking these?
No, I don't
You
drink.
said they're not finished though. Do they still have some in them?
All of them are actually. Like every single. They're not even mine. Yeah.
You said you don't have a problem with the search and car, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we just leave everything in there. Nothing on the person you know about. Nothing. Alright. You just want to hang tight back by the cruiser there.
Of course.
In the search of the suspect's vehicle, the deputies located one open beverage still containing alcohol, among others that were either empty or near empty.
No.
You want it? Where's her? You got her ID?
11 gold checks. Yeah.
I'll run her if you want to talk to her a little bit more, see if you smell alcohol.
Okay. Yep.
Of course.
What's your name?
Meisha.
Meisha?
Yeah.
Okay. You were at the Yellow Road. You said, let's step over here so that way we're far away. You said you were at the Yellow Road?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't have nothing to drink there?
No.
What were you doing there?
Picking up my friend. I just got off work. I work at Applebee's. I got off work at midnight. I just came to pick her
Why
up.
are you dressed like that to go just pick up a friend?
Because I was not going to walk into the roads with my work uniform.
Okay.
I was there for a minute, but not too long.
Not too long? You didn't have nothing to drink?
No.
Okay. Would you mind explaining why there's 3 open cocktail drinks in your passenger seat? One's empty, one's almost empty, and then the other one's about half. Best be honest with me. I mean, I look over and I see 3 cocktails for 9% alcohol. One's finished, one's got a little bit at the bottom, and then one's about half finished.
They're mine.
They're yours?
They're mine.
And have you been drinking them?
Some of them. Most of them I dumped out.
Dumped out. And then, when's the last time you think you probably had a drink of one?
About an hour and a half ago.
An hour and a half ago? Okay, is that the only thing you drank, or did you have something at the road?
I didn't have anything at the road.
Okay. All right. Well, he's running your information for you. I appreciate you being honest. The next thing I'll probably have you do is I'll run you just through a field sobriety due to you admitting that you have drank those. I'm just going to see if you're impaired to be driving a motor vehicle. It's a simple test that just lets me know whether you have had 2 minutes of that to drive a vehicle.
No, I feel capable to drive or not.
Yeah. So, other than that, we didn't find nothing. We were more looking to see if you had tried to hide any more alcohol, because it's pretty obvious that no one drives around with empty cans sitting in their passenger seat. And I think I looked at your driver's license. You're only 18, aren't you?
I'm not. I'll be 20 in 2 months.
20 in 2 months?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never gotten pulled over, so.
Okay.
Thank you.
Huh?
She's out.
See this? You want to shut these lights off for me?
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. Like I said, it's 3 simple tests, and
Yeah, procedures to follow.
after one, like I'm not, just to make sure that you're capable of driving. I don't want you to be driving home. I mean, doing 88 if you hit someone. We want to make sure you make it home tonight. Okay?
No, for sure. You're doing your job. I respect it.
Yep. All right. So we're gonna stand over here. I'm gonna get this light here, and then you'll stand over that way. Okay, the first test I'm going to have you do involves your eyes. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes that would make you not be able to see the tip of my pen here?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So just follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head for me, okay? I'm just going to check your eyes here.
Try to keep your head still, okay?
Okay, sorry.
Alrighty. Next test I'm going to have you do involves walking a short distance. Do you have any?
Take off my flip-flops.
What's that?
Can I take off my flip-flops?
You can. You're more than welcome to. Do you have anything wrong with you that would make you not be able to walk in a short distance about from there to here?
Not really, but I have a metal rod.
Okay. It just involves walking in a straight line, okay? We'll get these out the way here. Alright, so we're going to imagine that there's an imaginary line straight to my cruiser, okay? I want you to put your Left foot on that imaginary line, right foot touching heel to toe, like this, and put your arms down to your side. I want you to stay in that position until I tell you to begin. Okay?
Okay.
So right there. Just wait. Go back to the beginning.
Sorry.
Stay in this position until I tell you to begin.
Oh.
So like this. Okay? While staying in that position, okay, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down that imaginary line, okay? Like so. You come back here, man. You come back here. I want you to stand in this position right here until I tell you to begin. So stay like this until I tell you to begin. I want you to then, when I tell you to begin, I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down. 1, 2, 3. Pretending this is your 9th step, I want you to take a series of small steps to turn, leaving this imaginary foot on the line. Take 9 heel to toe steps back. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you start the test, I want you to count your steps out loud, keep your hands down to your side, and once you start the test, don't stop, okay? Stay looking at your feet for me. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, it's out of my head.
No, you're all right. Last test I'm going to have you do involves staying on one leg for a short period of time. You pick which leg you would like to prefer. Stand here with your feet down to your side for me. When I tell you to begin, I want you to raise one leg approximately 6 inches off the ground. While standing in this position, I want you to stare at your foot, count your steps, or count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, all the way until I tell you to stop, okay? You just go as long as you do,
yes,
and
sir.
I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
Yes, sir.
You may begin whenever you want.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1002, 1013, 1014, 1015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 1024, 1025, 1026,
You can stop.
2027.
Alright, you can put your shoes back on and grab your thing there.
Thank you.
I'm going to have you place your hands behind your back for me, okay? I do believe that you've had too much to drink to be driving a motor vehicle, okay? So we're going to take you down to the station. You can blow in a portable breath tube, which will tell your alcohol level, and we'll go from there, okay? Is that okay? What's wrong?
I have someone on the way to the house.
Just go ahead and put your hands together for me. Like a We'll double lock these here. Doesn't feel all right, not too tight.
Yeah, dude. That's so comfortable for you.
You need anything out of your car there?
My wallet. It's my phone.
I'll shut the car off, lock it, and I'll grab all that for you.
The keys are in like a weird. It's in like a deep end. It's in the middle. Okay. Just push and start.
We're going to step on over here for me. You got a cell phone with you? Or I didn't see it. Yep. Yep. Have a seat right there. Give us 1 second. All right.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to keep it together, but I've never done this before, and I have nobody in the state. Like, if I'm about to be locked up, I need to call the one person that's like forever miles away.
Do you have, so what's next here? I'll explain it to you. I'm going to read this form to you.
Yeah, for sure.
You can either refuse,
No.
or you can do a portable BT, which is a breath test that you blow into this thing, and it shows you your alcohol BAC. Or if you refuse, then I'll just mark it as a refusal, and I'll charge you with an OVI. But if you are cooperative and whatnot, we'll take you down there. You'll do the breath test and whatnot, and then if you have to call someone to come pick you up, or we can give you a ride to a house. But
No,
that's
okay. That's okay. I thought I was going to jail. I'm not
no.
for that,
You're being
okay.
pretty and
Okay,
whatnot. So
no,
we'll
this
try.
Is my first rodeo.
No, I understand.
Do as you please. That's okay.
And then we'll
sorry.
either give you your phone so you can call someone to come pick you up, or if it's in the county and it's not, and we don't have a call, I can maybe drop you off a house.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, that's cool. Sorry. Woo.
Yep. So just hang tight for me.
If it helps, like if you guys can't find my keys, if you guys turn off the car and like if it turns back on, my keys are somewhere in the
Close.
car.
I did that, and it's still turning back on. So
I wouldn't even.
Yeah, but we don't want no one to come steal it, or we would like to lock it to ensure that nothing gets taken, and because it is parked off legally, so we don't have to have it towed. So you could get it tomorrow when you're sober.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So give me 1 second.
Okay, thank you.
Following the arrest, the suspect, Meisha, was read the Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles Form 2255, whereupon she consented to providing a breath alcohol sample.
If you blow for us today and you do the BAC with no priors, your license could be suspended for 90 days. For one prior, it could be 1 year. So after me reading that, would you be willing to go down to the sheriff's office? And okay.
Whatever you guys need.
Alrighty. I just know it's required for me to read this to you. What's that?
Are you new?
I am.
Good job.
Yep. I worked in the jail there for 2.5 years.
Okay.
And then I went to the academy, and now I'm out here. So
Keep it up.
well, I appreciate it. Thank you. Give me 1 second.
The breath alcohol sample yielded a result of 0.081%. Because the suspect was 19 years old, the result was 4 times over the legal limit of 0.02% breath alcohol content to drive in the state of Ohio if under 21 years of age. In court, Meisha was charged with speed limits, assured clear distance, and operating a vehicle after underage alcohol consumption. Breath alcohol content between 0.02% and 0.08%, otherwise known as OVUAC. On December 7th, 2022, 2 months and 26 days after the arrest, the defendant pled guilty to the reduced charge of operation in willful or wanton disregard of the safety of person or property. She was ordered to pay a total of $379. As of October 5th, 2023, the entire balance is outstanding. She was sentenced to 30 days in jail with 27 days suspended, no time on probation, 4 points on her license, ordered to attend a driver intervention program for 3 days jail credit, and have no like offenses for 2 years. Of note, her driving privileges were not affected by the sentencing.